Hello friends of the numerous poses. Today in this video we have selected the pose called as Vajrasana or Thunderbolt. This position is of immense importance. This is one of the poses which could be performed after the meals also. The importance of this position is there because of the food which we used to consume used to create the unwanted air element inside, and with that substance which used to get created inside, it expands in time, and this undue pressure used to create the stress on the different organs and the functioning of the body. So if someone could use this position at the end of the meal for at least 2 to 5 minutes time, they can save themselves of such issues coming from the air which used to get built inside after the consumption of food. Not only this wards off the air, unwanted air element of the inside, this also improves the gastric fire inside, which enhances the digestive fire in the body, and then the smooth process of digestion. So now we'll get into the pose. For this, first just outstretch your legs ahead, adjust your hip a bit, then fold the right leg, and then fold the left leg, and then your hips on the foot and the heels outside of the hip, hands comfortable around the knees, chin slightly downward. Now this is the position. Normal breathing. One could feel after sitting into the pose for 2 to 5 minutes time the undue air going outside. And in the morning you could feel the impact of this pose. Someone who even is not engaged into the practice of yoga, they can also use this position of Vajrasana to ward off the troubles of the gastric. So this pose for alleviating the unwanted air element from the inside. As this is not the stressed or the pose where much stress is not present, the counter pose also is not required, and anyone can do this position. If sitting in this position is difficult, then one can use the folded blanket or towel under the hip, and they can sit on that. If you try this pose for even one time after the meal, you could feel the impact immediately. You could try this out for a couple of days. You could feel the big difference coming to your own living. These small practices one can include in one's lifestyle to have better body and then the good life. Hope this video is of help for you. We'll end over here. Thanks for watching.